What's up, YouTube? This is Ultimate Yu-Gi-Oh! Asian. I'm gonna be showing you guys my Yu-Gi-Oh! Toolbox. So yeah. Let me set it up real quick. So yeah, here's the thing, the toolbox. So these are the monsters with the letter A through D. I only have the monsters and traps. I mean the monsters and spells, but not all the spells, so yeah. I don't have enough white player's choice sleeves, so yeah. So I have, these are all in alphabetical order. So double AD changer because you never know when you're gonna play morphing jar. Empty jar. Ancient gear, skeleton dragon because it's a really good card, worthy of having it in your toolbox. The toolbox is basically your own set of cards that you're gonna trade away. They're your personal cards. It's just like easier to search for cards. Ape Fighter is just a really good card. It's my favorite tech card, so one of those. I'm trying to look for another Archilocristia because I'm gonna play 2 Archilocristias in the toolbox. So yeah, Cristia is good because agents are big. We have Arcus because Light Sworns are getting a little bit more popular, and Insectors are coming back. So yeah. We have the Battle Faders because Battle Fader is really good. We have the Beiges. It's going to be Blackluster Soldier on the way to the beginning. And then we have basically a Blackwing deck, 3 Boras, 3 Kalutes, but you only can play 2, but having 3 in your toolbox is alright. 3 Shuras, 3 Sirokkos, 1 Zephyros. I don't have the Blizzard, so yeah. Triple Breaker, always good to have. Just break. I have 4 Brows because yeah, Brow is always good to have. It's good in multiple decks. It's splashable, so yeah. 2 common card troopers. 2 chaos sorcerers. I put 2 in here just because it's better. Concentrated light because it's okay, this format, my opinion. Let me zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Alright. 1 copycat because it's worthy having in your toolbox. I don't want to mess this up, so yeah. 1 Cyber Dinosaur because people special summon a lot. 2500 is nothing to kid around. Double Cyber Dragon because Cyber Dragon's always good to have. Onto D, Dark Arm Dragon is good. I have Triple Dark Blade because you never know when Rabbit might use Dark Blade. Dark Blade's a good vanilla in my opinion. I put Dark Valkyria in here because it's kind of based on a deck I made. Masked Hero Stun. Basically, it's Chaos Masked Hero Stun. So yeah, I used this instead of Crusader in the deck because of the lack of darks. I don't think I'm gonna build it in real life because it still needs a lot of work. Damage Eater for burn. I have 3 DD Crows. This is gonna be a long video, guys. So yeah. Double DD Warrior Lady because DD Warrior Lady is nothing to laugh at. Triple Desqualo because you never know when Burn's gonna be big and you want to play Burn. Plasma is just a good card in my opinion. The Doom Caliber Knights and Dragon Ice. Dragon Ice is a good card. So yeah, putting it in alphabetical order really helps you find the card you need, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna put the thing down for a little, the camera down. So yeah, now we go for the letters E through L for monsters. Yeah. Okay, phone. Oh, there. So I have no idea how many cards are in this toolbox. So yeah, I have Double Elder, Electric Virus, because Elder is for samurais, and Electric Virus is Electric Virus. Fabled Raven, because it's good and it's a splashable card. Double Fossil Dyna, because it's Fossil Dyna, it's really good. You know, blow up the field if they attack into it. Gen X Undine, I only put one in here because I really never planned on making Mermaid Lanteans. If I did, I would have the Megalos by now. And the Dragoons and basically the whole deck. Like, most of the whole deck. But I'm a rarity whore, so yeah. 3 Giant Rats because they're really good in Earth decks. Double Gladiator Beast and Dowl because it's a good card. Gladiator Rabbits is the head judge's deck at my locals, so yeah. And Dowl is really good. Gold, Dark World Scores, of course. Double Grandmaster in here. Double Herald. Triple Nefet. Triple Esset. Triple Nefet. Triple Sue. I don't have any Tefet. 1 Honest, because Honest wins games, of course. Onto Eyes. 2 Injecting Fairy Lilies, because it's always a good card to have, in my opinion. Double Insector Centipede, because the Insector deck. 1 Dragonfly, 1 Gigamantis, double Hopper, and then triple Ladybug. Double Jane, quadruple Judgment Dragon, because Judgment Dragon, I really like the card. And I had an extra one laying around, so why not throw in the toolbox? Triple Kagemusha, you never know when you want to play 2 or 3 of them. 2 King Tiger Winkus, because it hurts so much decks this format. Double Quackmeter Doom, if you ever want to play the Galaxy Loop. Lava Golem. 3 Cannoneers. Anishi. Should zoom in. Zoom. Double Kaigeki. Double Lumina. Triple Luster Dragon number 2. And double Lila. So that's it for that E through L. Sorry guys, I cut it there. So yeah. Onto Z through T, really small. It had to fall out. So yeah. Double Test Tiger. 1 Testudo Era Newman, because it shits on a lot of decks. The Agent of Creation Venus. 2 Jupiters. 1 Earth. 2 Earth. For the Agent. 1 Eero. Or Iroh. 1 Zanji. This is samurai stuff, you know. Triple trag because you never know when you need trag. Triple trance because trance is always good. 1 Treeborn because I only like 1 Treeborn in a lot of decks. The only deck I like more than one is Lightsworn Mash, like no spells and traps at all. 3 Upstart Golden Ninja, you know, for Chaos Ninjas. Vanity's Fiend. Victoria. 3 Watt-tailed Dragon. 2 Wolf. And 3 Zaborg. You know, this is like kind of a weird one, like toolbox, but this is basically all I have right now. I still have to look through all my comments and then buy more white sleeves. So yeah, and then put them in alphabetical order. Okay, guys, on to spells A through R. I think. Wrong one. I have S through something over somewhere, but it's not my sleeves. I'll show it to you anyways. So A through R. Double Allure. Book. Taiyu. Double Card Destruction. Double Charge. Double Creature Swap. Or more than that. Or just double. Dark Factory Mass Production because you never know when you're going to play Exodia. Defissure. Double Summon. 1, 2, 3 drag down into the grave because it's Dark Worlds. 1, 2, 3 E-calls. 1, 2, 3 econs. 1, 2 foolish burials. 1, 2 gateways. 1, 2, 3 Gemini Sparks. So yeah. This is toolbox really help. Cause like I see people like at my locals trying to build decks and they never have a toolbox. Toolboxes just help you in so many levels. So yeah, Last Day of Witch because prophecies. Leeching the Light is very popular because of Billy Break. Double Light of Redemption. 1 limiter removal. 1, 2, 3 chateaus. 3 tickets because it's ticket. Oh, I have more tickets. I think I have 5 or 6. Yeah, 5 tickets because I need some for a friend. 3 magical mallets. 1 magical stone excavation. 2 mass changes. 2 messenger of pieces. If you have any questions on toolboxes, just leave it down below. Mind control ×2. My body. 5 noblemens. 3 common noblemen. 2 super noblemen. 1 for 1. Rhoda ×3. 4. And then 1 reload. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for being very long. Just wanted to show you guys my toolbox. That's basically what I have. Still looking through all this stuff. This stuff on the floor, you know. That thing. I still have that stuff. That closet right there. And the desk. So yeah. that's all I really wanted to say. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.